we go past the shop, I've got to get some service for my throat. I've got a tickle in my throat. I've got a sore throat.
Tuulensuu.
Have we done this route yet or not?
Yeah. We got up here. That's where we walked.
Oh, yeah.
The big buffets here for lunch. It always seems to be the same.
Yeah.
They'll have little soup, salad. On a Monday it'll be this. On a Tuesday it'll be that.
Yeah.
But in this town here, Helsinki called Bodil, it's a real tourist place because of these old houses and there's a really old church dating back to 1500. They had the same bit of salad, bit of bread, and coffee covered out there, homemade. There's no alcohol. And then they had best potato and salmon soup.
Oh, nice.
Not even milk. A lot of them do it with milk
Yeah.
or cream.
Yeah.
This just had clear broth. Oh,
Keskustori.
We had salmon soup in the hotel in Helsinki. And it was great. It was like flakes of dried salmon in there. And it was really thick, like white sauce. Horrible.
It was creamy salmon soup.
well, this stuff that I had, well, we all had the same thing. It was magnificent.
Yeah. Did it have potatoes in it?
Yeah.
Salmon, yeah.
Yeah.
Mum used to make that, and it was nothing like what we had in Helsinki.
The whole town started to wake up. That coffee just down there on the last block we went to.
Oh, yeah, oh my God, yeah.
They do materials.
Yeah.
They have all sorts of stuff.
This would have been nice if that was open.
If it was open. When the whole family was here 15 years ago, we went to that Finland and they had this apron that had elks and rabbits.
Yeah.
They wanted €30 for it then. And I was going, really?
Wow.
And in the back room, they had the same material. I bought material for, I think, €20. Jane's mum made me a turban.
Oh, that's good.
And I've still got one.
Oh, wow.
Koskipuisto.
Yeah, the other tram just goes down there where the shopping centre down there.
Rautatieasema. Railway station.